Hey, welcome to the shop. So I bought this jointer about 2 years ago. It was sitting in a box, and I finally pulled it out because I have to plane some mahogany plane joint. And this thing is very light, and the bed is not long enough because mahogany is pretty heavy. So I have to build a base for it. So I looked on the internet, I watched some videos, and I saw some stuff, and I decided to draw something. So these are the pieces that I have to join, and they're pretty heavy. But I got drawn, and I just keep drawing the same thing over and over and over. And for some stupid reason, this is what I keep drawing. And I know it's kind of wrong because, this waste the space. I could have drawers and do something else, but I just can't get it out of my head. So, guess what? I think I'm gonna do it. So, anyways, this is a little short video, and if you want to see what comes out of it, just subscribe, and I'll update pretty soon. Ciao.